Hello everyone, how are you? Today we are going to start worksheet 5 of unit 5, that is describing words, adjectives. So before starting it, let us now learn what an antonym is and what a synonym is. So dear children, these two are new words for you, antonym and synonym. तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे एंटोनिम की. एंटोनिम जो होता है इट इज़ द ऑपोजिट ऑफ अ वर्ड. किसी भी वर्ड का कोई ऑपोजिट होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एंटोनिम. जैसे यहाँ एग्जाम्पल दिया है गुड, बैड, हॉट, कोल्ड, स्मॉल, बिग, देयर कैन बी अदर्स ऑल्सो. सो कोई भी ऑपोजिट अगर किसी वर्ड का होता है इट इज कॉल्ड एंटोनिम. ठीक है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज synonym. What is a synonym? A synonym is a word that has almost the same meaning as of the given word. मीन्स ऐसा वर्ड जिसका मीनिंग दिए गए वर्ड से मिलता जुलता हो या सेम हो, दैट इज अ सिनोनिम. सिनोनिम से आप ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी आप इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं इसको लर्न रखने के लिए, याद रखने के लिए. एस फॉर सिनोनिम, एस फॉर सेम. तो सिनोनिम एक ऐसा वर्ड है विच हैज़ दी ऑलमोस्ट द सेम मीनिंग ऑफ द गिवन वर्ड. तो ये एक आपको क्लू मिल जाएगा कि एस फॉर सिनोनिम, एस फॉर सेम. तो इस तरह से यू कैन रिमेंबर इट कि सिनोनिम जो होता है हैज़, synonym is a word having the same meaning and antonym is a word having the opposite meaning. Okay, so I think it is clear to you now. Next, you can see here an adjective hut is given और इसमें हमने क्या करना है, we have to find out 4 pairs of synonyms. means 4 pairs हमने ऐसे ढूंढने हैं जिनमें जो words जो हैं they are having the same meaning, और 4 pairs हमने ऐसे ढूंढने हैं which are antonyms, means opposite meaning, those who are having opposite meanings. So here in the this hut we can quickly find out जैसे ugly, beautiful, they are antonyms. Dangerous, risky, they are synonyms. For happy, we know what is the antonym of happy, it is sad, but it is not given, so we shall find some other word. So cheerful is given, happy and cheerful, they are synonyms. Rich, rich and wealthy, they are again synonyms. Dirty, clean, they are antonyms. Long and short, again antonyms. Kind and cruel, they are antonyms. Rude and impolite, they are synonyms. Now quickly in the next page, what we will do, we will write down the synonyms in one box and antonyms in one box. So here as it is given, we are first discussing about synonyms. Synonyms, rude, impolite. Rude and impolite, they are having almost the same meaning. Risky, dangerous. Rich, wealthy. Happy, cheerful. Long, tall, they all are synonyms. Now next is antonyms, meaning having the opposite meaning. Ugly, beautiful. Long, short. Dirty, clean. Kind, cruel. Deep, shallow. So I think now the concept of synonyms and antonyms is clear to you. You will not get confused. I have given you the clue also for synonyms, S for synonym and S for same. So you will not get confused, synonym having the same meaning and antonym having the opposite meaning. Now let's come to worksheet 6. In this, what we have to do, we have to match the words given in column A with column B, and they are the face parts, and हमने जो A part है they are the adjectives. उन adjectives को हमने given face part से match करना है. For example, rosy, lips, dimple, cheeks, false, nose, black, eyes, square, jaw, thick eyelashes, wide mouth, broad chin, right? तो in this way you will match it, और साथ में जो box दिया है there you can draw a face using these features. इन features से मिलता जुलता आपने एक face draw कर लेना है. Now coming to next page, that is 44, adding adjectives. Here a pyramid is given where certain sentences have been written. Now what is given? There are 4 different sentences already written here. उसमें क्या किया है देखिए, हर एक sentence में an adjective is added. For you, I will read it out. The thief ran fast. The tall thief ran fast. The tall dark thief ran fast. The tall dark thin thief ran fast. Now here in each line one adjective is added. In the first line tall, then tall dark, then tall dark thin. So in each line we are adding one adjective. In the same way you have to do this, the given pyramid. Okay, So here we have already done, that is, we have taken the noun pencil, but you can take some other noun also. You can make your own sentence using any other noun, for example, bag, doll, umbrella, robot, bat, anything what you like. And with the each line you will add one adjective to the line. So here you can take the help of this example, but you can write on your own also. अपनी मर्जी से भी आप लिख सकते हैं. There is no compulsion that you have to copy the same. For example, here long, then again I have a long pink pencil, I have thin long pink pencil, I have thin long pink beautiful pencil. With each line one adjective is added to the sentence. Okay, so I think it is clear to you. Now coming to the next page, that is 45. What we have to do here is the words which are given in bold, जो bold में letters sorry ये words दिए हैं, we have to write the antonym of that. And now what is an antonym? Opposite. So first one is Jayesh likes to drink hot coffee but Meera likes it cold. So opposite of hot is cold. Now next, Mr. Pal is a cruel man but his wife is kind. Cruel, opposite of cruel is kind. Rajat is wearing an old shirt but his sister's skirt is new. Opposite of old, new. An elephant can lift heavy loads but a donkey can do only light work. Opposite of heavy, light. Ritu has long hair but Rima's hair is short. So opposite of short is long. Now in the next question number 3, we have to match the words that go together. Okay, we have to put numbering on in column A, that is 1 2 3 4 5, and in B we have to match them. For example, kind, nurse, clever, detective, brave, soldier, crowded, bus, frightening, noise. Frightening means डरावनी. Okay, so now we will use these group of words in the sentences. The dash spoke gently to the patient. Now who can speak gently to the patient? We have already been given here. Kind nurse. The dash laid down his life for the country. Brave soldier. Abhishek gave his seat to an old man in the crowded bus. Sherlock Holmes was a clever detective. He could solve any case given to him. The cracker exploded accidentally. There was a frightening noise and all the children ran away. So we have joined these words and we have written in the sentences. And the words that are given in column A, they all are adjectives. And in column B, they are nouns. Now here in question number 4, we have to tick the most suitable answer, which is suitable in the sentence. Astronauts wear dash clothes in space. Special or ordinary? Yes, they wear special clothes because ordinary clothes cannot be worn in the space. They need some special type of clothes. Sujata thinks crows are dash. I do not agree. I think they are handsome birds. So opposite view दे रहा है जो हम दे रहे हैं, और सुजाता कहती है कि they are ugly, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो handsome होते हैं. So ugly is the correct word. Wooden chairs are dash but cane chairs are not. Heavy. Last one, the headman in a village is a powerful person. In case of any dispute, all the villagers go to him. So in this way you will encircle the words. And lastly, question number 5, that is something is written about Farheen's father. He has written himself, my father is an angry man but he is a brave soldier, he is very punctual, he leads a disciplined life. Now dear children, what you have to do is you have to describe your father in 4 to 5 lines. नीचे there are lines given to you where you can describe your father. You can use more and more adjectives here, like my father is a handsome, smart and active person, he's very kind and helpful man, he likes to play chess, he is an honest person, I love my father and he also loves him very much, he respects elderly persons. So you can write many sentences in your book with the pencil. I hope the chapter is clear to you and you will do your work neatly in your books. And this question 5 you will be doing yourself. So this was all about unit 5, that was describing words. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you so much. Have a good day and take care.